Welcome everyone, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can fix your TikTok privacy settings. So first of all, you need to head over to your TikTok app, and then once you are on your For You page, you can now head over to your TikTok profile, and with this you will now need to select the three lines in the top right hand corner, and then you will now need to select settings and privacy. Once you select settings and privacy, you'll need to click on the privacy tab. And one thing that I do want to mention first of all is that if you are below 16, what this will do is TikTok will set your account to automatically be in a private account, because TikTok don't allow anyone under 16 to have an account that's not set to private. So the only way that you can get around this, and the only way that you can fix this issue, is if you change your age on your TikTok account. And to do this, you need to email TikTok. There is videos on my channel on how to do this already, but other than that, what you can do is you can change all of the other settings here that are on your privacy settings. So what you can do is you can come down, click into any of these, and you can obviously change these to only me, followers that you follow back, and you can change literally any other setting that is within your privacy settings. So I hope this video helped you out, guys. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. I'll be sure to get back to you, and thank you very much today for watching.